How will your immigration status affect your car accident case? The latest estimates by Federation for American Immigration Reform reveal that about 14.3 million illegal immigrants live in the US. People from other countries sneak into the US mostly because of the availability of jobs, knowing that there are no mandatory e-verification for all employees. In addition to that, local governments in the US have been quite fair to illegal immigrants in that they allow them to benefit from social welfare programs, give them driver's license, and in-state college institution, among many other benefits. The catch: nevertheless, many undocumented immigrants wouldn't want their immigration status to be revealed since they are never sure whether the law will catch up with them or not. And this is especially true when it comes to car incident cases. Many undocumented immigrants shy from filing lawsuits when they get involved in a car accident. They fear the immigration status will be disclosed in the process and therefore lose the case or incur even more damages. Are these fears valid or unfounded? The facts: in California, it is against the rules in any civil case, including a car accident lawsuit, to use someone's immigration status against them. This is also true in many other US states. You see, the right to sue isn't dependent on citizenship. The US Constitution explicitly says that no state should deny any person within its jurisdiction the equal protections of the law. This means that all citizens by birth, legal immigrants and illegal immigrants, have the right to compensation in case they are injured through car accidents. This also includes those immigrants whose visas have expired. What about the witnesses? Apart from the accident victim, witnesses of the accident who may have critical information also decide to remain hushed due to the fear of judges discovering their immigration status and turning against them. Be assured that there are strong legal protection for witnesses to ensure that they provide the necessary information in the courts of law. The need for a lawyer. Many defendants will try to use your undocumented immigration status to their advantage. All they're after is to have the case dismissed, or if not dismissed, they fight to ensure that they pay a little cash as possible for the damages. Assume you're injured in such a manner that you can no longer work, you should be compensated for lost wages and future medical care. A common argument by defendants is that the lost wages should be paid at the rate of your home country. It's obvious that the wage rates in the US are way much higher than the rates for your country. Otherwise, you wouldn't have sneaked into the US to work for work purposes. Is that really fair? Compensation for future medical care should be paid at your home country's rates. Again, it's rare that the rates of your country of origin will be higher than the rates in the US. That's quite unfortunate. What your lawyer will do: you need a lawyer to help you navigate around these issues. Your lawyer will first need to know your actual immigration status so that they can be in a better position to help you. So be honest. Don't hide any information from your lawyer. Armed with the information you've provided, the lawyer will then try as much as possible to prevent the accused from knowing your immigration status. And throughout the case, the lawyer will smartly argue your case out and ensure you are fairly compensated. The lesson to employers: in a way, the laws are framed this way to discourage employers from hiring undocumented workers to cut their operational costs and then neglecting them when they are injured through accidents. Every employer should have proper insurance cover for all employees in case such mishaps happen. Are you a victim? If you get involved in an accident and you stay in the US illegally, know that you are not the first one. There are many undocumented immigrants who have successfully filed car accident suits and have received full compensation for their injuries. Don't be tempted to give false name to any police officers who comes to the accident scene. Such lies will work against you in court. As you are now aware that your immigration status can't be used against you, try to be honest when filing any official report or document. Thereafter, contract a reliable and experienced car accident attorney to represent your interest in the case. A lawyer will see to it that you are lawfully compensated.